Alright, so we're just out doing a little night prospecting here. We're going to be sampling an outcrop, which is about 50 meters wide, and there's multiple showings of sulphides. So we're going to be sampling this. You can see pyrite, chalcopyrite found as disseminations. That's most of these outcrops, and then there's stringers of sulphides as well. Alright, so you can see you have more sulphides there, more down there. You can see more sulphides there. You got a bunch of grab samples that we just pulled off here with chalcopyrite found as disseminations, and then you can see more pyrite all over the place. You can see here more pyrite. We're going to pull a grab sample from here. So we've pulled a few grab samples here. We're going to take all of these and use this as our sample. And I think by looking at it under a jeweler's loupe, there might be some free milled gold in here. So that is always good. Definitely pyrite and chalcopyrite for sure, but looks like some free milled gold too. Alright, so we have another grab sample here. This was found just below the outcrop, about 10 meters away from the last one. Alright, so we have another grab sample here. We've got more mineral exposed here. Pyrite, chalcopyrite. Got more here. We have a bunch of sulphides here. We just exposed under some grass and an outcrop. You can see that this is just all pure sulphides, the gray. So we're going to take a sample here and see what we can get out of it. We're hoping that there's some decent gold in it, because we just found a couple samples which had free milled gold. So we'll see what we get out of this. Loads of pyrite, chalcopyrite. See what this comes back as. Looks really decent. Definitely a decent amount of mineral in there. So we'll have to see what the assay says. We're probably going to send in 5 or 6 from this location. Grab samples and chip samples. And we have more mineral found as disseminations. But let's keep going. Sulphide mineralization all along here. We're going to take another sample from there. Looks like it follows the face of the rock, so it's probably a parallel with this small little stringer of sulphides. Then you have more up here as well. Looks like you have more in a vein along here too. Little bits of sulphides in here. Lots of sulphides in there. So what we're seeing is we're seeing a lot of pyrite, chalcopyrite, looks like free gold found as disseminations throughout your host rock, which is schist, and then in small quartz veins you have also disseminated pyrite and chalcopyrite. But I think where the money is really at is your solid veins of sulphide mineralization. It's really loose, brittle, and we've come across about 12 little stringers up to about 5 centimeters wide. So we're going to sample this one as well. So there's lots of mineralization here. We're going crazy with the samples, so we're going to stop sampling tonight and continue prospecting in a new location tomorrow. So stay tuned for the assay results.